Hello everyone, my name is Eyal Meheber. For the last 25 years, I've been selling and buying real estate all over the country. When looking to buy real estate, you have to take in consideration location, type of real estate, and the type of loan you are able to obtain. When doing a loan for a property, you need to make sure there is an exit strategy in place so you don't pay a prepayment penalty when you sell the property. Partnership in real estate is extremely important aspect when buying real estate. However, you must choose the right partner. One of the benefits I've experienced with partnering up with the right partner, they were able to bring kind of value that I did not have. And that's what you want to do. The kind of value they brought to the table was financial statement, experience, bringing the property, rather than me bringing up the property all the time. Finding the right property can sometimes be a challenging one. However, do not be afraid to speak to brokers. Do not be afraid to speak to other people in the industry. They may have what you want. When looking to invest in real estate, you may want to stay away from big city like Miami, Orlando, and you may want to go to a secondary and tertiary market such as Ocala, Gainesville. Why is that? Big city at the moment are overplayed and oversaturated with people. Cannot raise rent too much anymore. Meaning, while the idea is when you purchase a property, you always want to improve it and get a property to the next level. When you go into a market where it's already overplayed, you have no room for the rent to grow. We didn't do anything. Therefore, you want to go to a market where it's just beginning or it's just there but not quite there. Why multifamily? Rent always going up. That's why multifamily. Retail, you have a 5-year lease, 10-year lease with 3% increase per year. That's not much. Multifamily, you have 8 months lease to 12 months lease, which after such time, rent can go up as much as 30%, 40%, 50%, depends what kind of value you do to the apartment or to the building. One of the main things I'm going to share with my viewers is how to add value in a property. And that's what we call value add. When you add value into a property, that means a paycheck at the end of the day. If you find this video helpful, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My job is to show the viewers where to get started in real estate.